Alright, so here we're going to be um, comparing and contrasting two images. Now, these are both paintings from the Surrealism movement, but from different artists. Now, first we have the dream caused by the flight of a bee around a pomegranate, a second before awakening, done by Salvador Dali, but for short, it is called Dream Caused by the Flight of a Bee. It was painted in 1994, and there is a woman present right here in this, and that is actually said to be his wife named Gala. As for this painting, this is called Napoleon in the Wilderness, done by Surrealism artist Max Ernst. And this was done in 1941. And while they are both oil paint. This was done on canvas, while the one by Salvador Dali was done on a piece of wood. So both paintings were painted around the same time, within a couple years of each other. But first, I wanted to discuss the colors. So each painting is shown with very bright colors, and the woman in the painting is the largest focus of each painting. While there is tigers in the back and there's other stuff in the back of this one, the woman is the biggest depiction in the painting. And the colors, they both have a bright blue sky, which is able to be focused on in contrast with the bright colors that are used for the supernatural and surrealist objects. Both paintings also have a body of water in the back of them, which embodies a sea or ocean. And the lady is asleep or has her eyes closed in both images. As for methods, Salvador Dali just used painting with oil paint on a wood, but um, Max Ernst also used oil paint, but he also used a method called decalcomania. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but he used this to spread paint over either glass or a sheet of paper and pressed it on to create textures and give it a more textured and detailed surface. So Ernst was expressing his feelings at the time. It was an unconscious expression of his feelings during World War II, and to express what was going on around him. And it was an interpretation of the war as a whole. While as for Salvador Dali, this was actually a dream that had occurred in his subconscious, and he was using art to express the surreal thoughts and the distant reality he had in his head that brought this image to life.